morning, YouTube friends. I've got something I just want to share with you. There are cool tutorials for how to become a better YouTuber, and one of them was created by Jessica. And this groovy 6-minute video teaches you how captions can help people that are hearing impaired or even trying to learn different languages, which me as an educator, I have a lot of kids that come in not necessarily knowing the English language. So if I can have them have translations because we start with coding and get them off to a good start, it can make the entire time that we're together more successful. The first part of my training is that we use a program called FMS Logo. And if you use this search button, you search all of YouTube. But if you find the row for the HLModTech channel, you only find the options that are part of my course. So by typing FMS and pressing enter, we'll be able to find all of my FMS logo lessons. If you look through the list here, you'll see I've got them numbered, lesson 1, lesson 2. These have been used and reused and recrafted for years and years and years, but I just now, thanks to Jessica, found the cool way to make the translations actually have code words instead of the English words where it auto-translated my words. I have currently taken lesson 1 and lesson 2 and translated them for you so that they got the proper English code, which should make the auto-generated translations better. But let me show you how you could be a helper to actually get these all translated so they help everybody. So right now I'm signed in with my Kid Harmon account, and I'm going to go to the FMS logo. So what I'm trying to show you here is that you can help me. You don't have to be me to make these changes. When you get into the video, simply go to the dots on the right and choose Add Translations. Once you've clicked that, this screen appears where it has my entire video with the captions in place. Let's see if we can find a spot where I said a word that was a logo code, but the translator did not understand it. It actually translated good all the way until this moment where I said use a command called setX. Now if you've worked in this class at all, you know that the X has to be connected. So by simply backspacing it, it now makes that command correct for what the people see on the screen and what you really have to type. It does not have to be capitalized, so I'm even going to fix that. You can play the video as you work through this, or if you've already done the training and are just trying to make it better for others, then you can just go down and find the parts where you know it would not be correct. This chunk right here is strange where it says 20 over and make my door, but when you actually hear it play, that is what we want to do, is move over 20 and start drawing the door. As we move through, check it out. Here is another spot where I wanted to use the command Seth. The system thought I said set H because that is what the shortcut is, but it's really Seth, so by putting that correct, now what we type on the screen matches the subtitles. Here is another spot where it types set heading as if it's 2 words, but we know that if we put a space between set and heading, then we get an error. Here's another set heading that needs to be connected, and we just continue this all the way through the lesson. Here's another one where I said file edit and it thought it was edit, which was easy to fix. You can notice here I pronounced it well and it could tell. And obviously some of this is because of my pronunciation. But once we have these all fixed, it just makes it better for everybody when they use the captions. So right here I mentioned how we were using set X to go over 20. You could have also done set XY, which was 20. 0, and I in parentheses added extra code that I don't give the user, where I just show in parentheses that's 20 over, 0 up, which is more specific. So you can add better details as well this way. Alright, so I went through and wrapped up all of FMS Logo Lesson 3. When you've finished, you can hit Submit Contribution, and if you want others to keep adjusting it, you can say no, they're not done, but I am done with mine, so I can submit it. If you want to be helpful, of course, you could do Lesson 4 or any of the other small lessons. If you want me to give you credit, you can mark that little one. I am using that Kid Harmon account, so I'm not worried about giving myself credit because it's me doing the work. But hey, if you've enjoyed learning this skill and you want to help other YouTubers, you can use this technique to put translations on any videos that they allow you to do. I've got a whole bunch of mine that are open to you, allowing turning my Tinkercad so they can help people in both languages or many languages would just be epic. And hey, when you're helping the world out, it's a good thing. So friends, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please hit that like button. Got a question or a comment? Add it down below. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button and hit notifications if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.